No, still here? Now tell me where Daddy is.
Daddy.
Where's Daddy?
Well, Daddy working.
Daddy's working. Where's Mommy?
Mommy home.
Yeah, Mommy's home. Where's your brothers?
Brothers home.
No, come back here. Your brothers. Where's Junior?
Here school.
Yeah, Junior's at school. And where's Brandon?
Brandon school.
Where's Leo?
Baby school.
The baby's not at school. Tell me, where's the baby?
Baby home.
Yes, the baby's home. Come here. Wait. Let me see. Let me turn it off.